we are with
Diane.
And Peter from
And
Tampa,
Peter.
same neighborhood.
Right.
Yeah,
That's what I was going to say. What a small world.
Yeah.
I was up there watching the Rhapsody go by because our other friends on that ship.
Oh,
And
that was it's right
yeah, he came up and
Wow.
Yeah,
and
so,
then found out we lived in the same neighborhood.
yeah, they're really cool and they do a lot of cruising like we do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
And pay attention because he learned from me. He matched his cards, and now they cruise for free.
He's a genius.
If it wasn't for him, we won't be here right now.
I'm
That's
so
awesome.
glad.
That's
It
awesome.
is. That's funny.
All right. Well, what's your favorite YouTube channel? See if this works.
Party of
Say that again.
Party of two.
Party of two.
Cruising. Yeah. He knows it.
I got it.
He does watch it.
All right.
Yeah, we watch it all the time.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Pete and
thanks for
Diane.
watching.
Thank you.
All right. Still wish you lived in our neighborhood, but
Yeah.
oh well.
Too sweet.
Yeah. All right.
Very
Thank
nice.
you guys.
Amen.
Enjoy.
On the way.
1. Oh, he's out of the clock. 3. He's still. Okay. There we go. Give it up for Kaden.
Where are we going?
We're not going. We're here at dinner. We were playing in the casino and we ran it right down to the water. So now
She
we're
won.
in here. I didn't win,
I'm a loser.
but
As usual.
could have won some more if I played it right the other night. But anyway,
Yeah.
that's another story.
That's another story.
Yeah.
It's not carnival. It's different.
Yeah. But anyway,
Can't just
I'm
pull your
happy.
card out and walk away on here.
Yeah, I'm happy and I'm a winner.
Yep. Because you got me.
That's, okay.
We'll bring you that menu right about.
No.
Carrie got the shrimps. I got lentil soup. Jack got the shrimps.
I got some scrimp.
Second appetizer, French onion soup. My second appetizer, French onion soup. Wow.
Did you get another one?
Carrie got the Caribbean chicken.
Chicken.
I got the Caribbean chicken. Jack got steak and tater.
It looks good.
Terry got lemon sherbet.
Very much.
And I got pineapple.
I'm getting it from Surprise.
We're not going. We're already here. We got sidetracked a little bit, but we're going to the rock show. So let's see how it is.
You know why we got sidetracked?
Somebody? No,
Because
you
we
tell
were
'em.
cutting through the casino.
Yep.
And some lady was betting $1.50
Yep. What me?
pennies,
Yep.
$1.50 penny machine, and just hit for $23,000.
Wow.
I'm not saying I'm jealous, but
I am.
boy, am I really jealous.
That is nice.
Because all I've done is donated. It's my money she's got.
That's very nice.
That is very nice.
So let's hope the show is too. Let's go.
All right. See you.
Bye.
Awesome. She didn't even seem excited. I'd have been running around that casino.
Let's go! Did you see our dancers?
Secretary will disavow any knowledge of it. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Good luck, Jim.
Can't stop the rock, can't stop the rock, can't stop the rock, you can't stop the rock, can't stop the rock.
So I'll go, but I think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. Just like my father to baby, I'm just like my mother. She must see about the love you bring to me. Where do I start? In the words that you want for me, and the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and cinnamon rolls, whispered in the sounds of silence. My happiness. Hello, loneliness. I feel like I could die.
All right, good evening.
Hello.
We're still sitting in the same place.
Comedy show. First we saw the Rock On and Rock Kids, and then we saw comedy, which was really funny. And now we're just sitting here resting, having a nightcap.
Yeah, that's the only thing bad about that. This was the only comedy show the entire week.
Yeah.
Only one.
This is what's the last one? Oh,
Yep.
the last one and only one.
Yeah, the last one and the only one.
But it's been a good cruise.
Yep.
Pat did win in the casino.
She did.
Yeah.
That lady, I'm still can't get over that $23,000 on a $1.50 bet.
What not so?
I'm so jealous. Oh well. All right, so next cruise tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Yep, we're getting off of here and driving over to Port Canaveral and getting on to Utopia.
Yeah.
So we'll bring you that in the morning.
Cheers, party of 2 cruises.
All right. So we go to sleep on last cruise night, wake up on cruise day.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Cheers.
All right, we'll see you.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
How are you? Was only at the bar.
You were more assertive. If you answered yes to any of these questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist about tequila. Tequila is the safe, natural way to feel better and more confident about yourself and your actions. Tequila can help ease you out of your shyness and let you tell the world that you're ready and willing to do just about anything. You'll notice the benefits of tequila almost immediately, and with a regimen of regular doses, you can overcome any obstacles that prevent you from living the life you want to live. Shyness and awkwardness will be a thing of the past, and you'll discover many talents you never knew you had. Stop hiding and start living with tequila. Tequila may not be right for everyone. Women who are pregnant or nursing should not use tequila. However, women who wouldn't mind nursing or becoming pregnant are encouraged to try it. Side effects may include dizziness, nausea, vomiting, incarceration, erotic lustfulness, loss of motor control, loss of clothing, loss of money, loss of virginity, delusions of grandeur, table dancing, headache, dehydration, dry mouth, and a desire to sing karaoke and play all 9 rounds of strip poker. truth or dare, and make you twister. Warning, the consumption of alcohol may make you think you're whispering when you're not, may cause you to tell your friends over and over again that you're in love with them, also may cause you to think you can sing. Alcohol may lead you to believe that ex-lovers are really dying for you to telephone them at 4 in the morning. Alcohol may make you think you can logically converse with members of the opposite sex without spitting. It may create the illusion that you are tougher, smarter, faster, and better looking than most people, and it may lead you to think people are laughing with you. Alcohol may cause pregnancy, and it also may be a major factor in getting your ass kicked. So what are you waiting for? Stop hiding and start living with tequila.
Tequila!